Hi, I'm going to talk about 11 days is removed from the history, or the 11 days is skipped in the calendar. I want to ask you one question. How many days in the September month in this year? 30. The previous year 30. But in 1752 there are only 19 days are there. This video will be clarifying your this doubt, and welcome to our channel Independent CJ. Before going to that, we should know how the calendar is worked. The historian peoples have framed that the earth rotates the sun of 365.25 days. They have believed and formed a calendar and calendared and of 10 months into 10 months. In 46 BC, the Julius Caesar was a king, and he divided years into 12 months and formed a calendar. Before, there was no January and February month are there. After the Julius Caesar said to the calendar to make of 12 months of 365 days. That you can say that why 2.5, because there were no following of a full day, so that they have created a leap year. For after the fourth year, they formed a leap year. They add a 2.5 to make 0.25 years days to make a one day, make a leap year, which is February 29th. It is the reason for 2.5, sorry, 0.25. After many years ago, ACBC, after 1582, the Pope Gregory XIII introduced a Gregorian calendar, which is released in the February of. He considered the dates of Earth rotates a sun of 365.242190.949 days to rotate. That means 365 days, 5 hours, 49 minutes to take to rotate the sun. But the Julius Caesar said that the round off of 0.25 days, like 365 6 hours, but the original date is 365 5 hours 49 minutes. Gregory said that the Julian calendar is not right. It is a wrong thing to do, because they were following the Christmas and any East in the wrong date, so that they want to follow a correct date of Christmas and East, so that he introduced a system of Gregorian calendar, but it is not accepted until 1752, and the one king accepted in 1752 after the 170 years ago after, and he removed 11 days from the calendar at the time they were in the month of September the 1st, so that they removed 3rd September to 14th September. That makes a huge challenge to make a profit, because they want to say that there were no days in the 11 days in the calendar, and they were want to give money and goods to the family, because the 11 days is vanished. Now you can ask how the Gregorian found out this mistake. He found that 365 days point 242190949 minus 365.25 days is subtracted, and he get a value of 0.00781. The answer is multiplied with 427 to make 11 days. The 1427 is from the minus of 1752 AD minus 325 AD. This because the 325 AD is starting, and the changed date is 1752. They multiplied and get a value of 11. If any king was accepted this theory and rectified, Gregory will be 15th century itself will be make a changed and of 10 days skipped, but due to the postponed, the 170 days is postponed, 70 years is postponed, so that this take 11 days to postpone skipped. Due to this mistake, they have skipped 11 days. Thank you. I forgot to say that Pope Gregory XIII was a pope, and he was a mathematician, so that it is easy to understand the earth rotation, and he rectified this mistake, and there were no chance to make change in the calendar, because it is you have no authority to make change. Thank you.